Welcome to Portuguese capital city, Lisbon. With our full-day walking sightseeing tour around Lisbon, uncover the history and beauty of this amazing city, visiting its most famous attractions with a private expert guide. During the tour, you take a funicular up to the Bairro Alto and admire the view of the Mauraria district and the São Jorge Castle, the charming neighborhood of Chiado, abundant in all cafes, shops and theaters. Highlight your stay with additional optional tour to Belém quarter of Lisbon and trip to Sintra. And don't forget, it's impossible to leave Lisbon without attending a national symbol of Portugal, Fado Show. Every traveler will find a lot to discover in this spectacular city built on hills, as its history falls thousands of years back, incredible views open from every angle, and most of its streets possesses monumental gems. Visit Lisbon with Firebird Tours.